All right. Now we're gonna do assignment 3, organizing worksheets. Okay. This is actually part of chapter 8 already. All right. So turn to your textbook, page 210 to 217. Right. Or if you using the slides, you can go to slide 5 or 32. But use chapter 8 slides. All right. Okay. Let's go in. All right. So before we begin, blah blah blah. Make sure we open the 08 spa services. Okay. Now save the workbook first. All right. So we're gonna save it first. Okay. Save as 008 spa services. I need a spa, man. Of 2 to 18 to 13 solution. Okay, anybody want to sponsor me spa soon? All right. Okay, never mind. Let's go on. Okay, with the worksheet Monday. Now Monday worksheet is active. All right. So we're gonna click the home tab, and then we click format in the cells group. Okay. So home format. All right. So we want to select move or copy sheet. Okay. So we go click here, move or copy sheet. Then you'll see this thing appear. Okay. So the before here, the before sheet list means where we want to position the new sheet. Okay. So move to the end. We can go to press select move to the end, create a copy, we click it, and then we press OK. All right. Now, if you notice at the bottom here, there is now Monday 2. Okay, it is a new worksheet. It's basically the same because why? Because we use copy. All right. So, click on the Monday worksheet again, Monday tab. Okay, click and hold, and then we can select Control. Now, if you notice, there's suddenly a paper. The paper become plus, right? Okay, drag it to until where? Until to the right of divider 2. Okay, now if you notice that there's an arrow now at the in between the each tab. Okay, now we want to bring it all the way to the right. Okay, we release both, and then suddenly a new worksheet appears again. Okay, so this is the second method of making it appear. Now with Monday 3 active, we're going to select cell B4. Okay, and then we're going to type the date 2/19/2013. 2/19/2013. 13. Okay, and then we're going to select B8 to H13. B8 to H13. Okay, B8 to H13. And then beginning from B8, we're going to type all this data. Okay, this one we have to slowly type. Now, make sure you are at Monday 3. They did tell you to. Eh? Oh, no. Correct what? Yeah, lah, with Monday 3 active. Okay, so you can type this. So with this selector, what you can do is you just type Sarah and oops, not Sarah, not Serac. Okay, 13, right? 13, yeah. Okay, so you go type again Sarah, enter, Elena, enter, Clarice, enter, Genevieve, I don't know how to pronounce this name. Up Hayan curry. I didn't know there's a new type of curry there. Okay, and then Regina. Okay, now you do not need to reselect at C3. You can just continue press enter. It will follow. Okay, so 351 295 114 90 205 34. Okay, this one is X, no X, X, no X, no X, X. X X X X X X X X X 0.5111. Okay, all right, so we have typed in all this. Okay, you should look something like this now. Okay, then we save. Okay, Now leave it open. We're going to go continue on. Okay, we have a lot to do today. Okay, we need to rename the worksheet now. Now because this is obviously not Monday 3. Okay, if you look at your calendar, it's probably Wednesday. All right, so or Tuesday. Okay, this in this case is Tuesday. So what we do is we go hover over Monday 3. We're going to double click, and then we're going to select Tuesday. I'm going to type Tuesday, and then you press enter. Now you notice now the date is Tuesday. Okay, repeat for Monday 2. Monday 2 is called Wednesday. Okay, I know it's not in order. Don't worry about that. We will fix that later on. Okay, now with Wednesday sheet active, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to select B4. Okay, now we're going to type 2 20 2013. Okay, and then we're going to select B8. Same thing, B8 to H15 this time. H15. Okay, and then we have another set of data to key in. So this are slowly lah. Regina, Angela, Ariel. Oh, I didn't know the mermaid came back already. Yolanda, Gwen, Elizabeth, H. Wow, so epic another name. Okay, 2104411211821 306 6. Is that a blank? I don't know. It's supposed to be a blank or not. X. Oh, blank. X X X X X X X X X X X X X X X X X X X X X. This is so boring, but no choice. We have to do this. Okay? Don't be lazy. Alright? I don't like to do this. I'm doing it anyway. Okay, come, let's continue on. Okay, we have typed in everything, so it should look something like this. Alright. Save. Okay, moving on. We need to reposition this time. Now, earlier we have mentioned that it's not in order, right? So what we do is we can go to click the Tuesday. Okay, click on Tuesday, go to Home tab, go to Format. Okay, we can select Move or Copy Sheet. Okay, so when we click Move or Copy Sheet, we want it to appear before Wednesday because Tuesday comes before Wednesday, right? Not the other way around. Okay, so then we click OK. If you notice, Tuesday actually goes before Wednesday now. All right, then we go click the lookup worksheet. Okay, and then click and hold. Right now you must make sure that there's no plus sign at the cursor. Okay, then we bring it all the way to the right after Wednesday. We go let it go, and then it's there now. Okay, so click on Monday worksheet. Okay, now we're gonna do the same thing again. We're gonna type all this again, B8 to H11 this time. Okay, not so much this time. Okay, we have Barbara C, Regina, Alan, Genevieve. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I'm not sure. 213. Okay, X. Oops, no, wrong. Reselect everything. No, reselect. Oh, okay. Enter. X space X space X. Okay, this is not Elon Musk, not SpaceX, it's just X and space and oh no, not space X 111. Okay, all right. Select after all this is done, press save. Okay, it's a lot of data entry, but that's what Excel is for, data entry. Okay, so after that we need to change the color of the worksheet tab. Now because we're seeing this color, this is all very boring color, right? So what we do is we select it, we right click, and then we can select tab color. Okay, we're going to select red color this time, red. Okay, so now is a bit reddish. Okay, then on Tuesday we're going to select when we click on Tuesday, now it become really red color. Okay, now do for orange and yellow. So Tuesday we want to make it orange, and Wednesday is yellow. Okay, and then click on the lookup. You can see red, orange, yellow. All right, so then we save, and then we carry on. Okay, hiding and hiding worksheet. Now it was not just the columns that and rows that we can hide or unhide. We can also hide and unhide worksheets. Okay, with the lookup tab, worksheet tab, we can go to cells format. Okay, we can go to hide and unhide. Now, if you notice, we can also click hide sheet. Okay, then ta-da, suddenly, where did lookup go? It disappeared. Okay, so how do we make it reappear? We go to back to the same thing, format, hide and unhide. We can click unhide sheet. Okay, and then we have to select lookup. Okay, and then it reappears. All right. Okay, then in lookup worksheet, we select B3, and then we need to type 70, press enter, and then right click again, and then it's not just now the format is not the only way. We can also right click it, but we can click hide. And even though that one change, a lot of other things will also follow to change. Okay, and sometimes we don't need to just copy or share, but sometimes we want something brand new. Okay, so on the Wednesday tab, okay, click on the Wednesday tab, and then at the home tab, at the sales group, click the downward alert, all this, then we can select insert sheet. Okay, now if you notice the insert sheet, the new sheet is inserted before Wednesday itself. Okay, and it will be they'll have a temporary name, in this case sheet 3. Okay, and we want to move this to the end of it. All right, so we're going to call this survey. Okay, then we click on Wednesday again, click on the plus button at the right sheet, right of the, okay, plus button. Yeah, I think it means this one. Mine is not really a plus one, but I think they mean this lah. Okay, so at the most right of it, there's also this one. Okay, I think I know why, because mine is not 2013. Mine is an older one. So if you are using 2013, you should be able to see this. If you are not also, you should see something that is similar. Okay, but basically the positioning is usually set to at this position, at the most right of the sheet. Okay, so we can select it, and then there will be a new sheet also. Okay, in this case, we're going to name this totals with an S. Okay, leave it open. All right, save, don't forget to save. Okay, and then we want to delete this time. Now, just now, on second thought, we don't really want to use totals. Okay, so what do? Is we're going to right click it. We go to home sales group, delete sheet. Okay, so in this case, the totals has been deleted. And on second thought also, survey is not really necessary either. So what we're going to do, a second way to delete things is you can right click it, and then we can click delete. Okay, so save, and then we move on again. Okay, now what if we want to work with multiple? Oh, I think we have ended. Have we ended? Delete the worksheet. So we have ended here. We have reach the end. Okay, save this workbook. You submit it in this assignment 3 first. Okay, but you have to leave this open because you will need to use it in the next exercises. All right, thank you.